Say hi to everybody.
Hi.
Sit up on the bench for just a second. Daddy will hold your hand. Stand up on the bench for just a second. It's another science experiment with Rebekah wearing her favorite Disney clothes. I think like every science experiment, she's been wearing something Disney. So I think I'm going to nickname them like the Disney science experiments.
And even the 10.
Yeah, we're even using Star Wars for the 10. What are we doing today, Rebekah?
Well, we're doing magnets still, I think.
We are doing a magnet experiment.
Yeah, it looks like we're making a Viking longboat.
Let me read it. Discover what a magnet will pick up. Magnets will pick up some things, but not others. What kind of things will a magnet pick up? Try this and see. All right, what do we have in front of us?
Name your tools, because I'm not doing very good about doing that.
Well, first there's this rubber band, then there's this needle, and then safety pin, paper what?
Paper clip.
Paper clip, button. That came from my mom's button tin.
You touched my button tin.
Oh, we could get it down.
It's okay. What else do you have?
Scissors, a pencil, and a leaf.
And a magnet.
And a magnet.
Daddy has awesome magnets because Daddy used to love collecting magnets. So he has a really strong one for us to play with today, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or not play with, do the experiment with. We don't play with scissors.
Where's...
That's a bad idea.
Oh, yeah, the magnet.
All right, so what do you want to try first?
How would a rubber band...
Well, pick up the magnet and let's see.
All right, well, let me read the assignment here.
Okay.
Put everything but the magnet into 2 piles. One pile is things you think the magnet will pick up, and the other pile is things that you think the magnet will not pick up. All right. Part 2 is try to pick up each thing with the magnet. So what we'll do, we'll take and we'll do like this. We'll lay out each item individually.
I bet these guys will stick together.
All right.
Let's try
There's
those.
your magnet. You want to try that stack first? Nope. The magnet will not pick the leaf up.
Hold on, go a little bit slower. Will the magnet not pick up anything on the pencil?
No.
Is it really not magnetized to that?
It looks like it's probably aluminum. So no,
Huh.
it won't pick it up.
This button won't do.
It won't pick up the plastic button, and it won't pick up the rubber band. So apparently the needle has already touched the magnet once, and it has magnetized it to a certain polage. That's why it turned.
These are doing good. Well, that doesn't hold that well.
Wow.
So you were right about both stacks. It picked up everything.
Good job. Are you trying to pick up everything now? Oh, now you're just being silly. Will it pick up all of it?
What things did the magnet pick up? All right.
This row?
What all do we have here?
Well, I would like this so far.
What all do we have here? Let me see.
Name the things that the magnet would pick up.
Paper clip, needle, safety pin, which is technically a needle, and then scissors.
Why?
Why did it pick those up?
Because they're metal, and metal magnifies except for the things that you're trying to pick up. See? Well, except for those.
Well, some of my sewing stuff may because I use magnets to hold some of my sewing stuff together.
Okay.
So some of my sewing things are magnetized.
Oh.
This is actually one of my needles, though.
Or was it
Yep.
Yeah.
leather?
Yes. It was easier to grab one of mine. All right.
What did it not pick up?
Well, all this stuff.
Name it.
Well, first there's this rubber band.
Well, why didn't it pick the rubber band up?
Because it's rubber. And then this one is plastic. And then this one is wooden, a kind of metal that doesn't get picked up.
Now that's an interesting one. Did you hear how Daddy described the metal part of the pencil? Do you remember the word he used?
No.
Daddy?
The metal is probably aluminum.
Okay, aluminum.
Listen to him though. Look at Daddy.
Some metals, mostly steel, are able to be picked up by the magnet. Apparently all this is made out of steel and therefore can be picked up by the magnet.
Hey, where's the needle?
It's
It's
on.
on here.
Okay, that's good.
But the rubber band, the button, and the leaf and the pencil are not made out of steel or another yeah, I can't say the word right now. Magnetizing metal.
Okay.
So aluminum is not magnetic.
Aluminum cans are not magnetic.
You're shaking
Wow.
the camera. Are you trying to magnetize that? Hurt.
Hold on.
Can we magnetize it?
Maybe.
Heartily.
It has a coating on it, so it isn't working
Right.
like it should.
Yeah.
But that is the experiment.
Okay.
What do you say?
Thank you for watching. Hi, people.